Today, we're making a flavorful and easy chicken curry, the perfect base for our chicken kottu. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Start by heating some oil in a pan over medium heat. Next, add the chicken pieces and sauté them for a couple of minutes until they start to change color. Now it's time to add the spices: roasted curry powder, chili powder, ginger powder and garlic. Stir well to coat the chicken. Add tomatoes and onions. Stir and cook until everything combines well. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on medium-low heat. Add salt, mix well, and cook for a minute. Finally, add water and let it cook until the chicken is tender. In our next video, we'll be using this chicken curry to make a mouth-watering chicken kottu. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.